All right, so we're on 2013, number 2. If this was a test that you got in front of you, you should flip to page 2 and go, whew, good. It's a PPC question, and you should be really excited about that because this is like the easy stuff. So hit play or hit pause, work it through, and then hit play, and we'll go over it. All right, so in part A, they are showing you your production possibilities curve for Fisherland. The production of which of the following goods exhibits increasing opportunities costs? And the answer should be both of them. Because it's a curved line, we have opportunity costs no matter if we produce like more capital, more consumer, like as we move to both. If it was like a more straight line, had like other things going on, you could have like said other things, but this is the simple, there is opportunity cost. So part B asks you to redraw the graph above and then show where full employment is. Full employment is anything along your line, right? So like anything on here is being effective, is being like everything that you want to be in the entire world. Everything is great. They then ask you to assume that there's a recession. So show us what's going on with a recession. At which point you should have moved in, part C, inside the line, because anything inside the line is being inefficient is a recession. Identify a fiscal policy that the Fisherland government could take to address the recession. So they could do anything expansionary. And here the only trick is make sure that you hit fiscal policy and not monetary policy. So anything in terms of increasing government spending, decreasing taxes, increasing transfer payments, just pick one of those. That's all you needed to say. And then finally, part E, assume that instead we took no discretionary policy. We decided to just wait it out and see what happens. What should happen to aggregate supply in the long run? And it should it will increase in the short run because of the input costs, right? So like wages and various things are going to decrease during the recession, etc. So it's cheaper to hire people because there are more people that are unemployed, and so you're going to see people basically taking a lower wage job. Also, like your input costs may be a little bit cheaper because we're going to assume that inflation is down, etc. So in the short run, your aggregate supply should increase. Nothing would happen to the long run aggregate supply probably. So hopefully you got all those points. This should have been, if anything, a really good review in terms of that stuff that we talked about at the very beginning of the year. If you have questions about any of this, please come talk to me.